In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter across multiple data sources using a parameter in Tableau. It's a handy technique for anyone looking to streamline their data analysis process, and we'll cover it all in about 5 minutes. So let's jump right in. First things first, launch your Tableau application. Once you've got that open, you'll need to access your worksheet where all the magic happens. Make sure you have at least 2 different data sources ready to use, as this technique involves integrating data from multiple sources for better insights. Now let's head over to your columns shelf. Here, you'll want to drag a dimension like date into it. This will help you set a chronological order to your data. Once that's in place, go ahead and click to add the month of the date on top of the year of the date. This gives you a more granular view of how your data trends over time. Next, we need to visualize some metrics. Drag measures like profit and sales to the rows shelf. It's vital to see these key performance indicators together for a comprehensive analysis. To make the view even clearer, right-click on Sales and select Dual Axis. Then synchronize the axis by right-clicking again and selecting Synchronize Axis. This step ensures both metrics align well for comparison. After getting your metrics in order, open a new worksheet and use the other data source. Here, you'll do something similar by dragging a dimension, such as order date, to add month. Then bring a measure like sales to the row shelf and enhance the sheet by dragging a dimension like category to the marks field, setting it to color. For a cleaner look, right-click and select Hide Title on the sheet and change the marks from automatic to bar. Then it's time to create a dashboard. Drag both sheets onto your dashboard canvas for a comprehensive look at your data. You can again right-click and select Hide Title for a cleaner presentation. Head back to the first worksheet, and here's where we create a parameter. Click the drop-down menu beside the View Data icon and select Create Parameter. Name it, select State, select String for data type, and choose List for allowable values. Use Add from Field to point to your data source and select State. Confirm by clicking OK. After that, go to Analysis and create a calculated field named State Filter with the formula, select State. State. Apply it by dragging to Filters, select True, and confirm by clicking OK. Repeat the parameter setup for the second sheet so that both sheets are synchronized. Then, in the dashboard, locate the drop-down and select Parameters, choosing Select State. This will allow you to filter and view data by selecting the desired state from the parameter drop-down. That's it. You've just learned how to filter across multiple data sources using a parameter in Tableau, enhancing your data analysis capabilities with ease and precision.